Okay, everybody, good morning. It's 2nd of February here, and this is Jon McFarlane, and we're just going to go through three pigs and no indicators trading strategy in the live markets. First off, I just want to mention to you all, there's a guy over here on Baby Pips trading the Three Little Pigs trading strategy. He's done the one-on-one course with me. And he decided that rather than use the traditional approach of mine, which is trailing the stop, that he would go for a fixed stop and fixed target. He's had 2 profitable years, and this month, the past month of January this year, he had his best month ever, which is 827 pips. And I think it's based on 2% risk per trade, and he's up 76% for the month of January. So to people, he's posted his results as well here in the PDF, which you can download and verify and check against his strategy and how he implements Three Pigs. Okay, so the Three Pigs, it's a free strategy available over here on the Forex Useful website. Just you can access it on the homepage, or go to the product page itself and just click here and register. The indicator that I use today on my charts is the Three Little Pigs swing trade indicator. It's available over here on the website under products. And last but not least, the no indicators trend trading system, which I cover at the end, is also available over here on the website, and you can download it instantly and view it online as well. So into the markets, and like I said, I'll start with the Three Pigs. So here we go. First up, Aussie Dollar. We've been in this trade here since the 21st of January on close of this candle. I didn't get stopped out here using the trailing stop. And basically we're still trailing the stop down here. We're in the money, so we can't lose money here on this trade. On to Euro GBP. We had a winning trade here at the beginning of at the middle of January. We also had one back at the beginning of January. Just got stopped out here last week on the trade that we were in, just for about 1-to-1 risk reward or something like that. And currently we're waiting now for a new signal to the downside. The weekly's down so much that we're not going to get any valid signals to the upside. So waiting here now for a push further south and a new signal to sell. Euro JPY, in fact, these next three, Euro JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD on the pigs trading at the moment, pretty much the same sort of pattern. A little bit choppy down here. We're getting into a couple of trades, getting stopped out, getting in, getting stopped out. So took I think it's two losers here now on Euro JPY, and just looks like we're maybe just about to get stopped out on the third one here. So a little bit choppy, but we're still taking those signals. We don't know which is the one that's going to run. So as long as we keep getting valid signals to sell, if we're not already in the market, then we'll take those trades as normal. Euro USD, as I say, we've already made a bit of money on these three pairs, Euro JPY, Euro USD, and GBP USD this year. And here we got stopped out of this trade and then back in. So there's 2 or 3 losing trades here as well. And similar to Euro JPY, we'll wait for something here now to take us into a short trade yet again. And cable, much more choppy. We just go back here. We can see that we made some money already this year on cable. And then it's been quite choppy for us, maybe half a dozen losing trades in here. But, you know, we just go with the flow. We have to keep taking these signals. And these choppy markets do come along sometimes, and we do give back some profits. But like I said previously, we just don't know when this run's going to happen like this. And, you know, these choppy markets, just like we've seen here, they existed here as well. And, of course, as long as we keep taking the signals, when these moves happen like they do, we'll be involved and we'll make up for those losses. So a little bit choppy, but still taking those signals. USD CAD, I reported on this at the weekend, so for more detail, just go and have a look on the website for the update. But basically, we're about 20 times initial risk, so over 40% up on this trade if you're risking 2%. So really making up for these losses here on these other three currencies and more. So like I say, we take all of these signals. We don't know which one's going to signal the big move, but we're involved here, and like I say, we're up about 40% based on 2% risk here. So lovely trade for the new year, and still going, of course. USD Swiss, just avoiding this at the moment. Really, it's not worth anybody getting involved in USD Swiss, in my opinion, but there's a valid signal to the upside here. The weekly moving average was somewhere, I can't remember now because I'm not trading it, 9180. So late entry confirmed somewhere 9194. Somewhere around about here you could have got in the market with a stop about 100 pips away. So if you're not already in, you can probably get in somewhere similar and use the trailing stop if you wish to partake in the USD Swiss, in the hope that it's going to go back up to something similar that it was before. Maybe it will, but I think it'll take quite some time, and I think it's just worth avoiding for now. USD JPY, we're up and down here. The weekly's obviously up, and the daily's just moved down. So looks like we'll get up to the upside here. It's just the alert from the indicator. And again, we've had a few choppy trades here. Sometimes they've been below and we haven't actually got involved in the trade. But we have had 3 or 4 losers in here. And once again, if we do get that move to the upside and we get a valid signal, we'll still be taking it. Nothing to say that we can't see this push on back up through this 122 level. Sorry about that. Okay, last but not least, gold. You know, it's not something that I trade, those that you watch regular. So if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a subscribe button just up here. It means you won't miss any future events, and also you'll be notified of new videos in case you forget. Yeah, the weekly's up here. The daily's up as well. So just waiting for long signals here to take. Losing trade here, in and out the next, maybe the next candle, the candle after. So just waiting for a new signal to the upside here on gold for those. And now I'll just cover NITS. Nothing major here to report than I've already reported at the weekend, other than to say that, you know, this year basically, and really throughout the end of last year, just reporting here that we're still running the trades from 2014, and we're up somewhere around about 3,000 pips at these levels on the 3 currencies that we trade on the 4-hour time frame, and we're always in. So I'll just zoom in here a little because it's not so clear unless I do. The last time I moved the stop loss was here. This low was broken, and after seeing this price action the next day, I just moved the stop down from this level to here. So we're about 300 pips away from the current price action here, but I'm happy that I leave my stop here. It's where the bulls come back into control. So I'll leave my stop here for now, and if this low gets broken, I'll just move it down a little bit tighter to this level here. So just really waiting for the bears to push down below this one, to really confirm this 1.5 has been broken and pushed down, or for the bulls to come back in and support it from this level and then push the cable back up to higher prices. Excuse me. On Euro USD, similar story. No movement since last week's video. This was the gap down last week, and since then we've just moved up a little and consolidated. No reason here. I know, again, I've got a stop loss here. It's about 300, 400 pips away from the current price level, but this is still the level I consider where the bulls need to really push through for me to be wrong and want to take a long trade here rather than being short. My hope is that we see a move down now, push through this 1.1 level, and if we do, then I will move this stop loss down to here, assuming we don't make a new high, of course, before. So happy here. Maybe not expecting much action this week, just to see this consolidate, hopefully maybe drift lower and take this low out and let us move our stop. Last but not least, Euro JPY. Once again, no, this is the gap down last weekend. This is the price action since, so just consolidate in here. A reason to move this stop. This one's even 500 pips away from the market at the moment, so I really do want to see this low taken out for me to move my stop. If I don't, I've got my long market order in here and a stop loss below this low. So if this gets taken out by the bulls, then I'll be long from this position here with a stop loss down here. And on that note, I thank you all for listening and wish you all the very best for the week ahead. Thank you.